This is a great way to rescue dental refugees, people who have fallen out of care because they don't know where to go to get help. Usually patients suffering with these kind of problems have scoured the medical industry looking for somebody to help them. They've scoured the support medical areas, chiropractics, massage therapy, and they really just don't know where to get complete resolve and satisfaction to the jaw pain and the headaches. They just don't understand what a big role that teeth play and poor jaw biomechanics play in creating and inducing these problems in musculature. It's a great way to become just a superhero to your patients. AdvancedProstheticsInstitute.com. Find one of our next courses as soon as you can, whether it be a surgical course or a course in biofunction. Any one of those are going to focus in this philosophy and help you take these tools back to your practice. Until next time.